Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue with exercise 15.2, question number 4. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 6.5 centimeter and altitude is 5 centimeter, means the height is 5 centimeter. If one of its diagonal is 13 centimeter long, find the length of other diagonal. Now, so we have to find out two things over here. First, we have to find out the area of the rhombus, and second thing, we have to find out the length of the diagonal. Now, you know that in a rhombus, all the sides are equal, first thing. And second, rhombus is also a parallelogram. So, let us draw the figure first. You see here, I have drawn ABCD as a rhombus and each side is equal to 6.5 centimeter. I have taken the diagonal AC as 13 centimeter. Now the altitude DE is equal to 5 centimeter. Now first of all we have to find out the area of the rhombus. Now we know that area of a rhombus is also a parallelogram. And what is the area of a parallelogram? Base into height. So what is base? Since all the sides are equal, so base is also 6.5 centimeter. So base is 6.5 and altitude is 5. So if you multiply 5 into 6.5, you will get it as 32.5 centimeter square. Now, what is the formula for the area of rhombus? That is half d1 into d2, where d1 and d2 are the two diagonals, isn't it? Now, d1 is given, that is 13 centimeter. We have to find out another diagonal. So, let us see. Half into 13 into d2. Now, whatever formula you use, area will remain the same. So, since we have already found out the area, which is equal to 32.5, just equate it. You will get d2 is equal to, cross multiply 32.5 into 2 by 13. Okay, so just solve it. 13 2s are 26. 13 5s are 2 5s are 5 5s are. So it is 5 centimeter. So we have got area of rhombus as 32.5 centimeter square and length of other diagonal as 5 centimeter. Now children, question numbers 5, 6 and 7 is omitted. Now let us see question number 8. The area of a trapezium is 540 centimeter square. If the ratio of parallel sides is 7 is to 5 and the distance between them is 18 centimeter, find the lengths of parallel sides. Now we know what is the formula for the area of trapezium. That is half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Now length of parallel sides are given in terms of ratio and distance is given. So let us do it. Let the two parallel sides be 7x and 5x. Okay, and the distance between the two parallel sides is 18 centimeter and area is also given 540. So 540 equals to half into sum of parallel sides, that is AB plus DC, isn't it, into distance, that is 18. 2 9s are 18. Just solve it. 7x plus 5x is 12x into 9, or x equals to 540 divided by 9 into 12. 12 5s are 9 6 are 54 and 12 5s are 60. So x I have got as 5. Now just put it in the value of 7x and 5x. You will get the lengths of the parallel sides. So 7x equals to 7 into 5, that is 35 centimeter, and 5x equals to 5 into 5, that is 25 centimeter. Now question number 9, 10, 11 is omitted. These are the sums which you all have done in the previous classes. So we will do question number 12. The top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon. Now octagon means what? How many sides are there? 8 sides are there, isn't it? And regular means each side of this octagon is same, means all the sides are equal. Whenever you are given regular, means all the sides are equal. Find the area of the octagonal surface. So here this is 15 meter and the distance between this is 6 meter and each side is equal to 8 meter. So we have to find out the area of the octagonal surface. Now let us name this figure, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now I have drawn a parallel line. I have joined GD. Clear? When we have joined GD, now what do we get? We get 3. That this octagon has been divided into 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts. First is ABCH is a trapezium. Then over here EDGF is also a trapezium, and GDCH is a rectangle. So we will, what will the area of this regular octagon? It will be equal to the sum of area of this plus area of this plus area of this. Now what do you find here? That if this is 15, this is also 15 meter, and this is also 8 meter. Okay, and again the height is also 6 meter. So area of this trapezium will be equal to area of this trapezium. Okay, so let us do it. Area of octagon A B C D E F G H is equal to area of ABCH plus, we write down area as AR. Okay, so area of EFCD, this one. Okay, plus area of HGDC. Now let us find out. Now what do you find? That area of this is equal to area of this. Area of ABCH, sorry, H is equal to area of EFCD. Since it is a trapezium, therefore area of ABCH, what do you find? That it is a trapezium, so it is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into h, or distance. That is half into AB plus HC into, let us name it as I. Okay, into AI, or half into 8. AB is 8 because all the sides are equal. 8 plus 15 into 6. 2 3s are 6. So it is 23 into 3, that is 69 meter square. Now area of trapezium EFDG, it is DG, children. So if it is GD. Okay, EFGD is equal to again 69 meter square only, because they are same. Now since HGDC is a rectangle, now we know that area of a rectangle is what? Length into breadth. That is, what is length here? HC into HG, that is 15 into 8. So when you solve it, you will get it as 120 meter square. Now just add it. Therefore total area is equal to area of ABCH plus area of EFGD plus area of HGDC. That is 69 plus 69 plus 120. That is equal to 138 plus 120. That is 258 meter square. Answer. Now let us see the last question. Find the area of the polygon, okay, in the adjoining figure, and the various parts are given with their measurement. Now what will be the area of the, what do you find here? That the polygon has been divided into 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts. Okay, so the total area will be equal to area of this triangle plus area of this trapezium plus area of this triangle plus area of this triangle plus area of this trapezium and area of this triangle. So let us solve it individually. So total area is equal to area of triangle PVQ plus area of trapezium QVXR plus area of triangle XSR plus area of triangle PWU plus area of trapezium WUTY plus area of triangle YTS. So let us first find out the area of this triangle. Now we know that area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Or we can write down what is the base here? PV, isn't it? Into QV. Now what do you find here? PV is 3 and what is QV? QV is 5. Just put the values. Half into 3 into 5, that is 15 by 2 centimeter square. Now we will find out the area of trapezium. This trapezium, okay? We'll find out the area of this trapezium. Now area of trapezium QVXR is equal to half. We know that it is equal to sum of parallel sides into height. So what are the parallel sides here? You can see here parallel sides are XR and QV. So children, these are the parallel sides. These are non-parallel sides. Okay, so these two are parallel sides and the distance between them is Vx. So you just write down here XR, sorry, plus VQ into Vx. Okay, this is the distance. Or what is XR? Just put the value into 6 plus 5 into. Now what do you find here? Vx. Now here Vx will be equal, here the value is not given but we have to find out. So Vx is equal to Px minus Pv. From Px if I take out Pv, I will get Vx. So we'll just write down here Px minus Pv, or 11 by 2 into Px is how much? 8 minus Pv is 3. So 11 into 5 by 2, that is 55 by 2 centimeter square. Now we will find out area of triangle XSR. This one. Okay. Now we know that this is equal to half base into height. So what is here? Base is XS. Now you will find that XS is not given. To find out XS, what we will do, we will take PS, and from PS I will subtract PX. Okay. If you subtract this part, you will get this. So let us do it. Half into base is XS into height is XR. Okay, it is appearing as if all are x, but it is multiplication sign. So half into xs we will write down as ps minus px into 6. So 2 3s are 6. Just put ps is how much? Ps is 11 minus 8 into 3. That is 3 into 3, 9 centimeter square. Now area of triangle PWU is, again you see here this one, this. Okay, so this is equal to half into base, that is PW. This is the base, and height is UW. Now what is PW equal to? We don't know about PW. Or let us see if it is, yes, it is given here. PW is given 5 centimeter. So it is 5 into 4. 2 2s are, that is 10 centimeter square. Now area of this trapezium again we will take out, that is area of trapezium WUTY is equal to half into sum of parallel sides. The parallel sides are TY and WU, that is WU plus YT into what is the distance, that is WY into WY. Okay, so it is equal to UW is given 4 plus YT or TY is given 2 into, now what is WY? It is PY minus PW. Just put the value, you will get 6 by 2 into PY is 9 minus PW is 5. So 3, just cut it, 3 into 4, that is 12 centimeter square. Now we will find out the area of this triangle. So area of triangle YTS, we denote a triangle by this sign, is equal to half into base. Base is YS into height is YT. Now what is YS equal to this one? This will be equal to PS minus PY. Okay, so that is equal to PS minus PY into YT is given 2. 2 will get cancelled. PS is given 11 minus PY is 9. That is 2 centimeter square. Therefore, total area it will be equal to, just add all the areas, 15 by 2 plus 55 by 2 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 2. Okay, so this will be equal to 70 by 2 plus 19 plus 14. This is 35, 35 plus 33. Okay, so this is equal to 68 centimeter square. Answer. So in this way you have to solve the questions. So children, solve these questions in your copy and practice them thoroughly. Thank you.